here in Bali na. And we're just waiting. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina. Kasi ang dami naming luggage. Anyway, we're just waiting for our scheduled fast boat, which is 12. And baka punta na dito na 9:50 AM. So, super aga naman. So, kakain na lang muna kami dito sa malapit sa check-in ng boat. Dito kami kumain.
Nainom na ako.
Nakatama na ba? Nandun, dalawa sila. So, tapos na yung day 1. Hindi kami masyado nakapag-video. Kasi ang dami namin bit-bit na luggage. As in, 2 check-in. Tapos, 2 hand carry. So, stressful. Pero, ano to? Learning opportunity sa aming 2 na wag mag-overpack. Tapos yung naririnig nyo is Muslim country kasi to. So, may malapit na temple. Tutur ko kayo sa villa namin kasi ang ganda dito. Ito yung villa namin. Ayan. Ito lang yun sa amin. Itong may nakasampay na pink. Tapos yung view niya. Ayan. Ayan ang view niya. Ganda. Ayan, yan yung view. Ito si Moy Moy. Ito yung other villas pa. Ayan. Kitang-kita yung hiningal ako. Tapos, doon, pwede pang bumaba doon. Ayan, hanggang yan sa dulong yan. Pwede pang bumaba doon para mas kita yung sunset. Sa inyo yung pool, maliit lang. Pero pwede na kasi nasa tapat naman ng dagat. Pwede mag-swimming doon. As in, may hagdan doon. Sa hagdan, dire-diretsuin mo na lang. Pwede ka na mag-swimming doon. So, yun lang. First day update lang. Tapos, ay ano pala, hindi ako kanina sa aming snorkeling. Daw po. Sa aming snorkeling, kami ako ay sumuka. Galing. Very good. Sumuka ako, tapos, kasi sobrang nakakalula yung, pag nakastop na yung bangka, sobrang nakakalula na, as in. So, simula kahapon, hindi kami natulog, kasi ang aga namin sa airport, kasi ayoko nagmamadali. Hindi kami natulog. Tapos, konti lang kinain ko. Tapos, kanina kumain kami ng carbonara. Tapos, nasuka ko lahat. Very good. Tapos, ngayon order kami dito sa villa ng Indonesian food. Pakita mo yung oras, babe. Pakita mo yung oras. It's 5:30. Sa 6:30 pa pala yung sunrise. Ang lamig-lamig.
Ito. Ito yung nasa Facebook.
Dito na kami sa Diamond Beach. Alam, Ming. Alam, Ming. Yan, madilim pa. 6 pa lang. Dito na kami. So, yeah. Labi!
Dapat ka dyan. Ganyan ka ba?
Okay. We're here to catch the sunrise. Tangi, where are we? Lamig. Yung kay Catherine Bernardo. Ito kami sa Diamond Beach. Sobrang struggle lang ng pag-akit. Wow! We're also gonna watch the sunrise. Hello! Ano kaya namin?
Saan sila galing? Hello friends! Wala lang yan.
Walang gabi ito. Ano, tumatalang
tumakbo sila. May mga aso kasi.
Wow, because of this.
Because of...
Okay, yeah.
Jolie, di nila kaya makyat.
Hey, what you got, man?
Inaway nila, ano ba siya? Hey,
Hello! Mga ito yung ano nila, leader. Pwede kaya sila hawakan. Hello! Ayun na siya. Iniwan na daw siya. Saan? Sugat. Sugat ba yun? Hindi ba yung pinalian?
medyo makagalaw.
Ayun. Hindi pa rin siya makagalaw. Yung ibon, tinatangay ng hangin. Ano kasi siya? Baka first time niya maging ibon. First day niya maging ibon. Nasaan na? Ayun, lumipad na siya.
Makagalaw yung gas.
Bye-bye, birdie. The way to Ato Beach. Ay. Ay! Muntik na ako maging kwento.
Ano sa kapitan?
Wala eh.
Back. Retreat.
Ano? The struggle is real. Sa Diamond Beach, hindi kami bumaba. Kasi, ang hirap bumaba. Dito rin pala. May ganito ka, Be, oh. Upo ka. Wala kasing kakapitan dito. Walang lubid-lubid. Ano dito, Be? Palakasan ng Angel. Tapos, medyo mabato yung hagdan. Kaya, parang, ang laki ng tendency madudulas ka. So, ayun. Walang sunscreen. Wala tayong sunscreen. So, ito yung binaba namin kanina. Nakakyatin namin. Ito yung Ato Beach. Ito yung hike. Oh my gosh. Ang taas. Ang dami niyang step. So, yun. Ouch! Wala. Hindi na ito kaya ng tuhod ko. Ba? So Ato Beach is here and here. You can watch the sunset. So we missed it earlier kasi hindi namin nakita yung daan. Sobrang hingal pa ako. Kasi grabe yung pag-akit na yun. Kailangan ng hiking shoes. Ito yung sa Diamond Beach. I went there already earlier. Pero mas mahirap yung hagdan dyan. No? Parang mas nakakatakot yung hagdan dyan. So, ayun. Safe yung... Ayan yung beach. Tapos, nandito kami. Sobrang steep lang ng daan dito. As in. Pero may nakita kami kaninang nagmotor. Hanggang dito. Hanggang doon sa mayagdan ng Ato. Ayan. Ayan yung Ato. Sobrang dali niyang mamiss. Lalo dahil madilim pa kaninang madaling araw. So, ayan. Diamond Beach. Ato Beach. Diamond Beach. Ato. Oh. We are now here at the Broken Beach. So, this is the Broken Beach. We already went to Angel's Beach, but I forgot to take a video. So, yeah, but we took a lot of pictures. This is the Angel's Beach. We are now going back to our driver. So, yung Angels, saka yung Broken Beach, katabi lang siya. Grabe lang ang daan talaga dito. Masahe.
I always think it's weird that like ads from
now to Monkey Forest in Ubud.
I think it's a mom.
Uy, ang cute ng munggoy, oh.
Uy, oh.
Uy, oh. Uy, nagsiselfon yung munggoy.
Uy, sa cellphone. Ang galing, oh.
Ano kinakain nila? Kamote. Yung isang monkey dito. Impostor. Kasama niya mga statue. May spy dito, may spy. May spy dito.
Here we go. Say.
No, il tuo exit gate ed è qua, qua ti rimesso exit.
Luwak coffee.
Bad there in Ubud right now?
It's very bad.
Yeah, I used to working there for over 5 years.
We're used to the traffic. It's
Oh.
always traffic in the
In
Philippines.
the Philippines, yeah.
We got the same thing.
Yeah. We love the road here because there's no traffic. Even though we're driving on the opposite side.
And you drink coffee, Jessel and Alduin?
Not much.
Okay. We do have a lot of teas, and flavored coffee is gonna taste different than the regular coffee. Yeah. These are some sample from the Arabica coffee trees, and those are the coffee berries. Basically, coffee is a fruit. We can eat them straight from the tree. The ripe one, it's gonna taste very sweet. It's gonna turn red when it's ripe, but we don't have any ripe one at this moment. The season is just starting again. From the flowers till the berries getting ripe, it's gonna take commonly like 4 or 5 months.
It's what Luwaks eat.
Yeah, the Arabica coffee berries taste very sweet. So you heard of the Luwak coffee?
Yeah, we watched the video.
Oh, right. It's very famous and popular.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the most expensive
Yeah.
coffee in the world.
And it's made up from. And these are some sample from their poops when they are eating the coffee berries. Been here for a long time. The fresh one is gonna mix with the regular poops. The
I
smell
thought
is
you
not
were
that-
going to show us the poop.
It doesn't smell that bad, but it's smelly a little bit like dried fruits, and it's gonna be darker.
The female and male also taste different.
Yeah, the female one softer, fruitier. The male one is stronger and more intense when it comes out into a coffee. But both of them has very less caffeine compared to the regular coffee beans. This is the female one from the double beans. Different, right?
Yeah, this one is stronger.
Yes, more intense. And these are 4 varieties of the regular black coffees. These two are from different islands. The Arabica coffee beans, it has their origin characteristic. Different place you grow them, it's gonna have different flavor and different taste. These two are from outside of Bali, and these two are from our main farm. You can get the smell. And I'm going to preparing you one set of the testing product right now. So the regular black coffees like the Arabica and Robusta with the flavored coffees and the herbal teas are gonna be part of the testing product. But if you want to taste the luwak coffee here, they're not included. And the price is 50,000 rupiah for the female one, double beans. The single bean is 80,000 rupiah, the male one, if you want to try. And what do you think? Do you maybe want to try the luwak coffee?
Marami na yan.
How is it? I need
How many ml?
Is it one glass?
Yeah, it's like this regular cup. Maybe you can try one to share.
Yeah.
And it's not, is it too strong?
No.
Because I palpitate easily.
That's why we don't drink
Yeah.
coffee.
Yeah.
It has very less caffeine. Even it getting stronger the taste, but the caffeine is the one that's gonna affect your body,
Yeah.
your brain, the blood circulation, your heart. So what do you
Try
think?
naman. Alin yung
Yung me.
male? The male one,
The
yeah.
male one is stronger one, or
Female
maybe
lang.
the female one?
The female.
Because you are not used to drink
Yeah,
coffee.
yeah.
The female one is gonna be great idea.
Okay.
Would you please have this somewhere downstairs? I'll be there very soon with everything. Okay.
Thank you. Please, halika.
And my friend gonna presenting the luwak coffee right in front of you with the filter coffee machine. And you can start with this. All of them is already got the name. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4 the filter coffees. 5 to number 9 the flavored coffees. 10 to number 14 the herbal teas. The ginger tea number 11 gonna taste quite strong, a little bit spicy. You have to be ready for it. Enjoy. Okay. You can start from anywhere.
Thank you.
My friend Justin presenting the process of drinking coffee.
Hello.
Do you have enough space there? Yes, you do. Siang, Justin. Okay, Justin. The chips. Cassava chips. Kompor. Still. Adi buatin betina cuma. I'm gonna get the female one. He got the male one.
Okay. Tikman muna natin, B.
Hello.
Mukhang di na ako makakatulog dito. Parang na naman ako nag-a-addict na ito. I-video mo nga ba? Mukbang. Bili mo na. Chocolate coffee. Nasaan coffee ko?
Tutorial. Justin was wrong.
You can smell this.
This is the female coffee. Kasang Nescafe? Ay, amoy Nescafe. Ano yan? Sasabihin mo ba?
Vanilla coffee.
Kopi ko. Ala, kopi ko. Next.
Ito, Arabica.
Go.
Tapang.
Tapang. Ito ano to?
Arabica, Robusta.
Yung mas matapang yan.
Excuse me. I will start the process to coffee. You can see.
Papagtitit na ako. Ayun.
Kitty is black coffee. Hot full toasted hot. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Justin.
Mabango din, iba amoy.
Iba amoy. Parang amoy maalat siya. So we're just waiting for the coffee to be less hot. Tapos titikman din natin. Arabica. Arabica din. Ito mga tea. Uy, ito tikman mo. Ginger.
Turmeric.
Mas ano ba yung turmeric?
Ewan ko. Sige, ginger.
Ginger ka muna, hindi ko yan ninumin. Sabi ni Lilo, matapang daw.
Ito? Maanghang.
So, sino sore throat si Moy Moy? Kaya lahat ng... lahat ng pang sore throat, uubusin niya. Ubusin mo na.
Wag.
Manghang.
Hindi nila inuubos.
Manghang.
Bawal ubusin, be.
Manghang nga.
Bawal yung sa ininom natin sa Seniman. Masarap.
Masarap. Hindi naman masarap yan. Hindi masarap yung banana chips nila dito. Maalat. Hindi matamis. Abay, tutik ma'am.
Ano to?
Turmeric. Ito tikman ko. Lemongrass.
Ito, ang sarap, be.
Titikman ko muna ito. Ito masarap din, be. Masarap. Lemongrass. Lasang iced tea. Ito, turmeric. Sarap. Isang orange. Sarap turmeric. Mangustin, be. Ito, mangustin. Kulay purple.
Ito, ano to?
Be, ito masarap din.
Ano yan?
Lasang juice. Mangustin. Mga lasang juice yung tino. Ito, Rosella.
Talaga mo.
Hindi ah. Rosella medyo maasim-asim. May ibalik mo sa ano nila. Pangalan nila.
Mainit na.
Ito curious ako. Avocado coffee. Lasang creamier siya. Ito ginseng coffee. Lasang lupa.
Ginseng.
Ito na, tikman na natin itong luwak. Ako nanditikim kasi hindi ako ng kape. Ang lasa na ito sa akin, lahat Nescafe. Tapang.
Sarap. Oh.
Lasang lasa. Kailangan ng sugar bee.
Wag muna.
Lasang lasa, no? Nescafe. Nescafe stick.
Matapang.
Pero sabi nung nagtutur, mas matapang yung lasa, pero less caffeine siya. So yung kinuha namin, yung female beans lang, ano siya, mas konti yung caffeine compared sa male. Pero yung male daw, mas matapang yung lasa. Mas intense. So, update ko kayo pag nagpalpitate ako. Kasi sabi ni Lilo, hindi daw nakakapalpitate masyado.
Lagyan ko lang ang sukal.
Sige. Tapos guys, yung nila dito, Ito yung banana chips nila.
Kasaba.
Ay, kasaba ba? Ah, akala ko banana chips. Yung kasaba chips nila, maalat. Yung mga unggoy sa Monkey Forest. Ito yung kinakain nila. Hindi ito, pero kasaba. Sarap. Pag may ano na. Kaya nga, gusto ko haluan ba?
Matapang pa din. Nagbabalpitate na ako eh.
Ako mabigla ka bumulagtad. Yung lasa niya parang medyo maasim-asim. No? No?
Comunque pensa a fare questi gite per morire.
Post ka ba sa FB?
Medyo maasim-asim. Sabi nung driver namin, lasang Arabica daw. No. Sabi
Alin?
nung
Ayan.
Ariki.
Yung luwak?
Yung luwak lasang Arabica coffee, pero mas matapang. Hindi ko na tinikman tong mga matatapang bake. Kasi baka bumulagta ako. Hindi ko na tinikman yung mga itim.
Ayun daw ba yung matatapang?
Siguro. Ah, ito coconut coffee. Tikman natin. Tinikman mo ba to?
Hindi pa.
Parang may gata. Masarap to, masarap.
Nakakakabigang ano.
Masarap yung coconut coffee.
Baka makakabigang sabi naman di nagkakape.
Ano gabi? Anong most common na? Ano yun?
No.
Lasang Arabica, sabi nung Java chip order sa Starbucks. Kasi hindi alam yung ibang menu. Ano ba yung order mo sa Starbucks?
Coffee jelly. Yung ipon ko.
Lasang Arabica? Compared sa? Compared sa coffee jelly. Kulang yung sugar.
Ha?
Kulang yung sugar. Pero yung mga tea masarap. Sarap ng mga tea. Anong favorite mong tea, Be?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Sa akin siguro mangosteen.
Masarap yung ano.
Turmeric. Amoy pabango yung mangosteen. I mean, may kaamoy siyang pabango.
Wala akong pang-abibig.
Kawawa ka naman. Sa kape, siguro yung pinaka-distinct yung coconut. Coconut tsaka yung ginseng. Pero yung ginseng lasang lupa. No. Grabe si Joshua Garcia. Naghihirap na nag-move it na lang. Wala kang gig. Kala ko may kayo din, Ann Curtis. Ano yun, sideline mo lang.
Dahil break time, nagpaalam mo kay Foreman.
Foreman, iba ng trabaho yun. Grabe yung grind ni Joshua Garcia. We are now at the Ubud Palace.
Beans.
Okay.
Yahoo!
Now here are Tirtha Empul. Tirtha ano? Tirtha Empul Temple.
So strength, purity, balance, wisdom, harmony. So at the end, if you want, guys, so before you leave this offering completely on the altar, you can pick one color.
Thank you.